Here at Firemark, we run an innovation capability. We have a small, lean group of individuals across numerous disciplines, be that UX and design, be that development, data science, engineering, partnerships, venturing. So in order to best do this, we decided to partner with PALO, mainly through their extensive experience within the innovation space itself and the ability to partner and provide technical capability or design capability to really accelerate some of the experiments that we're trying to do. The car repair marketplace, better known as Carrem, was essentially created to address a couple of different pain points. Our North Star vision was to create a repair marketplace where on one side we have smash repairers and on the other, of course, customers that have a low-speed accident. So what we are trying to do is essentially empower our customers to be able to make that decision using a series of digital assets, in this case images, to be able to best decide on, based on an estimate, whether or not they would like to call their insurance carrier or they would like to do this themselves, kind of what we call off-market.
So I acted as the product lead on this project, coming up with the sort of idea and conception of what Carrem would be. PALO were really helpful. They helped me understand what it takes to go from ideation to design to the final MVP. Right from the get-go, they were very hands-on, sort of helping me bring that concept into a reality, guiding me along the way. So it was a very, very fruitful and seamless experience.
Our customers' response so far to this experiment and now what we're doing in terms of beta testing has been extremely positive. They really like the way in which we've been able to take something that was a very manual, call-driven type exercise and be able to empower them to be able to use the technology that's available at their fingertips in terms of their mobile phones to be able to do things that give them immediate value.